Hey, and welcome back to the Lang 6 channel. Today we'll be making some no-bake, easy homemade Play-Doh. So let's get a list of ingredients. So to start, you'll need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of salt, and optional, of course, is any food coloring of choice. You're going to start by adding your salt to your flour. Make sure you mix it up really good. And then simply add in all of the water and once again mix that up really well. Once it's fairly combined, I like to lose the spatula and simply use my hands to mix in the rest of all the flour and the salt together. And of course you want to do that until it becomes this smooth texture. Once it's all really well combined, I like to knead for an extra couple of minutes by hand in the bowl or on the table. And now this is where the color comes in. I'm taking my ball of dough and I'm going to divide it into 6 individual balls to color individually. Now once you have all of your balls divided between how many colors or how many individual ones you want, I take the balls and put them in plastic Ziploc bags, and then I add the food coloring to each Ziploc bag. It makes it a lot easier cleanup, less mess, and of course it doesn't stain your hands. As you can see here, I'm adding about 5 drops of food coloring to each bag and sealing them up, making sure that they're well sealed. Try to make sure that you get out as much air as possible in them as well. And then you simply shake, smush. It's a great opportunity to get the kids involved as well. And as you can see, I started with yellow and green, and then I went into blue and red. But you could do any option of color. You could even mix 1 drop of red and 1 drop of blue and see if you get a purple. The options are endless when it comes to color. You will notice sometimes that you do have to take the Play-Doh out of the bag and simply finish mixing in the color by hand. I have to do that for my 4-year-old just to help her out. Once you're done playing with it, I simply put it back into another Ziploc bag, squeeze out as much air as possible, seal it well, and it'll last. My kids have had Play-Doh last for up to a month, depending on how often they play with it and what exactly they do with it. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button below for our future videos, and thanks for watching.